Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this channel, I did a video where I said that the PDP power tussle, that it is headed to the Supreme Court, and that if it gets to that Supreme Court, that Nyesom Wike will have upper hand. I said that if the matter is not sorted out, the power tussle about who is the chair, whether Damagum will continue to be there or Ahmed Mohammed, that power tussle will lead to going to the Supreme Court. That is why it's going to be resolved. Just as McCarthy and Ahmad Alimodi Sheriff leadership tussle ended up and was settled in the Supreme Court in 2017. Something that started shortly after the party lost the presidential election in 2015. Now, the PDP governors have intervened and they have come to the resolution of the maintaining the status quo ante. They say Damagum, Iliya Damagum, Ambassador Iliya Damagum should continue to be the acting national chairman of the party, and that the suspended national legal advisor and the spokesperson and all those should return to their normal positions. They didn't do that because they love Damagum. They didn't do that because they love Nyesom Wike. And as they said, that this crisis you saw was largely as a result of the Rivers State crisis, which they failed to handle effectively. Now what we are seeing is the PDP kowtowing to Nyesom Wike because they don't want to go to court with Nyesom Wike. That is basically the truth. They know that the present court in Nigeria, from the lower to the Supreme Court, is literally rigged against anybody who is not in line with the APC. And Nyesom Wike, being in the government of APC and having already declared that Tinubu is his candidate for 2027, going to court will be disastrous for them. They are not going to get justice. They are aware of that. That is the reason why you see this resolution. They didn't do this that they are happy. They just swallowed their pride. They swallowed their ego. Those PDP governors, especially those led by Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed. You know that even the Rivers State crisis divided the governors. About 30% of them were with Nyesom Wike. About 70% were with Fubara. But they know that they cannot afford to have crisis in PDP now. So these people have swallowed their pride. They are ready to swallow shit and endure Damagum and his alliance with Nyesom Wike until 2025. Because 2025 is when PDP is supposed to hold another national convention where a new set of National Working Committee will be elected. That is the only time they can legally extricate themselves from the influence of Nyesom Wike. Already I did say it, that if they had continued and headed to the Supreme Court, go and watch the previous video. I said if they have headed to the Supreme Court, if they have getted to court from the local court, from the lower court to the Supreme Court, they will be playing into the hands of Nyesom Wike. Because when they get to the Supreme Court, from appeal court to the Supreme Court, the way the court in Nigeria is now, almost indistinguishable from the government of the day. Nothing you bring in that court is going to be against anybody, against Nyesom Wike, and they succeed. So they are smart. I give them credit for their smartness in coming to their senses and knowing that we just have to manage Damagum until the next national convention of the party. It is something that I know they couldn't have done it with happiness. It is something that they know, I know, they couldn't have done it smiling. It was a hard decision because they have taken a lot of shit because of the Rivers State matter. Like Dele Momodu said, if he had power, for somebody who have announced even since 2023 that he is going to work for the presidency of APC in 2027, Nyesom Wike ought to be sacked from the party. But like Dele Momodu say, he said he doesn't have the power to do it, but had he been in a position, that is what he would have done. But the truth of the matter remains that Nyesom Wike is always ahead of them with the present structure. You can see that while they were mulling the idea of removing Damagum people went to court and obtained an injunction to stop anybody from removing him. And you can see that during the suspension and counter suspension, Damagum was already ready to use the security system to go after Ahmed Mohamed, who was announced as the new national chairman of the party, because they say he has violated the court order. They were ordered for him to be arrested for that. And you and I know that in Nigeria of today, people violate court orders, but you don't see people come out that they will send security agents after those who did that just like that. But they were determined to use him to show a lesson, teach a lesson to others that look, this is what must happen in this PDP, that we are in charge and the court is with us, the police are with us, other security agencies are with us. And if you look at the video I did formally, I said, forget about this suspension and counter suspension. Nobody will have access to the National Secretariat of the PDP except Damagum, the Nyesom Wike NWC, led by Damagum. And that was exactly how it happened. So what we are seeing is that the PDP governors have swallowed their pride. They have gone back to their vomit just to be able not to lose grip of everything, because they know that when they go to Supreme Court, they will lose. This is not McCarthy and Alimudi Sheriff matter, which eventually McCarthy won at the Supreme Court. This one is bigger. You have a PDP and an APC government that is interested to make sure that PDP is crippled. And you have a PDP where one of their strongest members is part of the APC, and he's working to make sure that PDP is crippled, that he cannot challenge APC for the presidency, and he has made it public. So PDP know that they can't go to court, not the present court in Nigeria, and get real justice on who will be the authentic leader or national chairman of the party before their next convention. So what you have seen is PDP coming to their senses and knowing that if they go further, they will fall into the trap of Nyesom Wike, which reads falling into the trap of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president. Don't forget, there is still the claim that Damagum allegedly met with the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in London. Like Kunle Olobondia said recently. He said that the national chairman of the party has not come to deny that allegation. He has not said anything about that allegation. So it is left for you now to decide what you think about this. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you from the comment section so that we'll be able to see what you think about the latest development. in the PDP. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.